I'm Jim Sprowl, Region 2 Sales Manager, and today I'm with Troy Jenkins, Regional Agronomist for Regions 1 and 2. We're going to talk a little bit about adjuvants that we're going to use with our Enlist products that we're using on our soybeans here in Northern Indiana. A new soybean trait that we've adapted quite a lot of to help us with our weed-resistant management practices up here. Troy, tell us a little bit about the importance of the adjuvants that we're going to put in this mix.
Adjuvants are the most important aspect with these treatments. I recommend the use of Class Act Next Generation. This product's got an ammonium sulfate in it along with a non-ionic surfactant and corn sorb technology. When we're mixing Enlist with things like Liberty, we have to have the ammonium sulfate. It conditions the water and it's required to make that Liberty perform. The non-ionic surfactant really acts to break down the surface tension between the water droplet on the leaf surface. It allows it to creep out or expand and cover more of the leaf for better uptake. Now the corn sorb technology has a couple things that it does. It actually makes the water wetter or stay wetter on the leaf surface longer, so we have a longer period of absorption. It also has corn sugar in it, which helps with the ammonium sulfate to drag the crop protection product through, like the Liberty and the Elist, down between the leaf cells into the plant without burning it.
Okay.
Now when we're using products like Section 3, which is post-grass herbicides, we have to use a crop oil concentrate. Crop oil concentrates, they break down that cuticle layer on the leaf along with reducing the surface tension so we can get better absorption of these post-grass herbicides. Without them, we just won't get good control with these grass products. It just won't work.
Okay, and the addition of that oil will not affect the efficacy of the Enlist product, right?
No, not at all. It's like I said, we have to have it in order to get control with that Section 3.
Okay, so as we do these additives, these adjuvants, as we add them in, they're going to run about 15% maybe of our total herbicide per acre cost. Talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, so when we look at the cost of about 15%, doesn't it make sense to use the best adjuvants you can use so you can maximize return on investment for the 85% cost of the crop protection product?
Right.
Research has shown that when we take the adjuvants out and increase the herbicide rate, we won't even get the same control with increased herbicide rate that we get when we use adjuvants. Now, this year with the shortages in crop protection products, we want to be able to maximize our control at the lowest recommended herbicide rate that we possibly can.
Well, that makes good sense, Troy. I really appreciate you taking a few minutes today and talking about that. Hope you all have a safe summer out there. Thank you.